Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share this plant hanger with you. This piece requires 33 meters of 5 mm cord. The final plant hanger measures 1.1 meters long and it can hold many pots with a diameter of 10 to 25 centimeters. To make this project you need to cut 5 cords. Each cord is 6 meters long and one 2.6 meters long. Some of the knots that I used in this video include wrap knot, alternating half hitch, diamond stitch, square knot and barrel knot. Let's get started. First step, make a clasp. Take 5 cords 6 meters long, fold them in half and place them on the hook. Next you take a 2.6 meters cord to tie the wrap knot. Firstly, you fold this piece so that the working end is longer than the other end. Place the loop part in the middle area of the 5 cords and then start wrapping around that area. You will wrap until you reach a length about 15 to 16 centimeters. Pass the end of the working cord through this loop, then pull it all the way through. After that, you wrap an extra piece of about 4 centimeters, the same way as done above. Second step, make the straps. You tie the alternating half hitch. You will tie until you reach a length of about 50 centimeters. Do the same with the remaining cords. Third step, make the body to hold the pot. You tie the diamond stitch. In total, you tie 3 rows of DS. Each row includes 5 DS knots. Distance between the top and bottom rows is about 7 to 8 centimeters. Last step. Tie the bottom so it can hold the pot. You will use square knots to tie and decorate the bottom. Tie the barrel knots to secure and decorate them. Thank you so much for watching.